Charles here, AllCoastLawncare pressure washing. I got the mower set up on the 12-footer. But this is what I want to share with you, y'all. All right, I'm excited because you know why? I got me some new tires, man. All right, I got some fresh tread, dude. I had ball tires. All right, the tires I had on this trailer I used for the past 2 years, and they were bald, y'all. All right, for 2 tires total, $268. Okay, that was at Discount Tires. It comes with lifetime warranty. All right, if they can't repair it, they'll just replace it. All right. Other than that, John, that included the them taking it off, putting a new tire on there. All right. Look, y'all, this is why you must quote. Okay, don't lowbar yourself, because you know why? Because stuff like this is maintenance. All right, it costs money for maintenance. Okay, if you're riding around with bald tires, and if you hydroplane with this trailer, you could cause an accident. Your trailer, you could fall in a ditch. Your trailer could fall in a ditch. And guess what? You could probably kill somebody, okay? Your trailer may hit somebody, all right? And everything out of the trailer may just come out, all right? That's why you cargo strap, okay? Cargo strap, all right? Look at that, y'all. Cargo strap, okay? Hey, don't be cheap. Get new tires if you need them, okay? These are 205/75 R15 radial tires. They're both rated at 2,500 capacity rate. So I got 2 of them, so that's 5,000 pounds, all right? This trailer can only hold 3,000 pound capacity, okay? So far I'm good, all right? Other than that, y'all, I just want to share with you my Lawncare trailer tires. And at all times, never quit or give up. Don't be cheap, get new tires if you need them. Hey, God bless you. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.